Hey you guys, it's Steph and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be testing out more Primark makeup, but not just any Primark makeup, because today we're going to be testing out the brand new Alice in Wonderland for Primark makeup. I found this in the kids makeup section after getting so many requests from you guys. Like, I literally got tagged in so many pictures of this, specifically this palette here. And I saw it and I thought, I mean, it'd be rude of me not to do a testing video, right? So it's just going to be a quick one today because they don't actually have too many products in the line, but I did pick up a few bits. What I have is the Big Fat palette. This is like the main product in the entire collection. This is the thing that you guys are all asking me to try out. So this is the Magical Face and Eye palette. So it contains eyeshadows, I think 4 highlighters and 2 lip glosses. I also have a set of lashes. These are the there I go again, always dropping something in my videos. These are the Wonderland Girl false eyelashes, and they look pretty nice, to be fair. And then we also have a lipstick. They had 2 different colors of this in my local Primark. They also had lipstick trios, like little tiny mini lipsticks, but to be honest, they didn't look that great. They were very, very tiny and they did kind of look a little bit kiddie-ish. I feel like they also had some kind of nail polish or glitters or something like that, but to be honest, these were the only things that caught my eye. So let's get on into the video. So first of all, I guess we're just going to go straight in with this guy. So like I said, this is the thing you guys were most excited for. From what I saw when looking at the tester, this looks very, very similar to an Urban Decay Alice in Wonderland palette that was launched like years ago. I think I actually still have it somewhere. But flips up like that. You've got, you know what, I didn't actually even look at the eyeshadows when I bought this. Those greens. Oh, those greens are calling my name. We've got 4 mattes, and then the rest are shimmers, and they look really nice actually. Got a little mirror as well. Very, very cute packaging. And then you pull this drawer out, and we have, oh, I already know which highlighter I'm going to be using. This guy. So you've got 4 different highlighters, and you also have 2 lip glosses. The lip glosses, not gonna lie, they kind of look a little bit crappy-ish, but I mean, again, I think this is supposed to be more so like kids makeup, although that actually looks decent. Oh my god, that smells great. Oh, and that's actually really pretty. That actually reminds me of a Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss that I have, but obviously way cheaper. So usually I like to finish off my makeup looks with highlighter, but I mean, I've already done like my bronzer and my blush and everything like that. Haven't done my brows. That's a video coming very, very soon. So I think we're just going to go straight in with highlighter. That feels very, very weird to start a video off with highlighter, but I'm just going to take that out just to make it easier. Let's swatch these guys. They feel really good. Primark highlighters are always really, really nice, so I've got like really high hopes. Ooh, hello. Look at that. What the hell? These are like even more pigmented than usual Primark highlighters. Oh yeah, that's the one. Oh my god, like a combination of those two at the end. Yes! They look really nice, and they don't even feel like that chunky either. It's like tiny, tiny little bit of chunkiness right in the middle on 2 of the shades. But that looks really nice. These swatches are very aesthetically pleasing. So first of all, I think I'm just going to go straight in with this shade here because I just know it's the one that I'm probably going to fall in love with. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Oh, bitch. Here we go again. Like, if this makeup is for kids, like, that's not fair. I feel like kids these days, they need to go through the same stages that I went through when I was younger. Like, the awful blue eyeshadow. Oh my god, look at that. And, like, the really thin eyebrows. It's like a rite of passage. You can't have popping highlighters when you're like 12 years old. It's just not fair. I feel like Primark highlighters are like a gateway drug. Like, you start with these and it just kicks off your addiction. That looks so nice. Like, Primark, can we please get a single of this shade? Because that is literally like my perfect shade. I swear I say that about most highlighters. Yeah, pretty sure I do. But still. Stunning. Ridiculously stunning. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for the highlighters for a minute. I might play around with like one of these other highlighters in a second when it comes to like my eyes or something. Then we're going to move straight onto the eyeshadow. Now, I really have no idea what sort of eyeshadow look I should do. That green really is calling my name though. Like, I'm just looking at that green like, we need to do something. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to do something. Let me do a little swatch before I put it on my face. It's hard to get my nail in there, but... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to use this for my transition in a second. To be honest, this top's just annoying me every time I move my arms. It like flings up. So I'm going to try and stick to this one brush as much as I can because my brushes are like just out of reach there. But I'm just going to take this brush and dip it into this matte shade here. And just pack that all over my lid. A lot of kickback on these shadows, but that never bothers me as long as the actual eyeshadows are good. Then I'm going to go in with this matte shade down here. It's like a matte brown. Surprise, surprise, a matte brown in the crease. Who would have thought? Gonna whack that just in the outer part of my crease there. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a friggin' sparkly green halo eye. That's exactly what we're doing today. Maybe I'll put some kind of highlighter right on the center of my eye. Oh my god. All the ideas. All the ideas. That's working fine. To be honest, generally speaking, I haven't really met a Primark palette that I don't like off the top of my head. Because, I mean, they are all kind of like made in the same factory, I assume. And I do actually like the quality of Primark eyeshadows. They're obviously not the best. But they're definitely like above average, I'd say. There's a lot of like dedicated makeup brands out there that still like they don't really compete with Primark eyeshadows. That works nice and easy. Then I'm going to take that matte green shade just on a fluffy brush and I'm going to pop that in my crease as well, but just like ever so slightly lower down. Okay, to be fair, that did just kind of disappear on my lid then. Let's try that again, shall we? Okay, you really need to kind of like layer that one up. Blends out fine, it's just maybe not as like intense as I was hoping it would be. It is definitely more of like a grey, khaki kind of eyeshadow. I thought it was going to be more of like an army green or something, but it is definitely more of like a grey green. Yeah, like I'm pretty much just packing that on the lid there and it is taking a while to build up. Okay, that looks alright though, like that has blended out quite nicely. Looks a little bit dry. I need to even myself up a little bit there. But it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad by any means at all. Then I'm going to take this kind of like dense... No, I'm not. I'm not going to take that at all. Okay, we'll try this bad boy. So I'm just going to take this kind of flat, fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in with that green. This guy down here. I'm going in, boys. I'm going in. Swirl my brush in there. Make sure we get a lot of pigment. I'm a little bit worried it's not really going to come off like much. Or anything. Let's try something a little bit denser. It doesn't really seem to be picking much up though. I just kind of, it's just like crumbling. It's not really picking much up. Oh, there's something here, lads. Oh, Houston, we have liftoff. It's going to take some packing. I think I might actually wet my brush. Just seems to be like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just kind of like squishing it into itself. Nice colour though once you've got it on. I feel like you probably need some kind of opaque base under this now that I'm using it. You know what? I feel like because of how weirdly this is pressed, I feel like if I get my finger in there, it might be easier that way. Yeah, it almost looks better like that, using your finger. But I don't like using my finger because then I get stain fingered. I'm just pressing that on. It kind of gives like a foiled effect. Like now that that's on, I'm like, that's it. That's a good colour. Oh, I felt that fall out then. Then I'm just going to take that brush that I used for that like khaki green matte shade and just blend out any edges. Then I think I'm going to go in with... What do you guys think? Talk to me through the camera right now. What do you think? I want to put something in the center. So like I'm thinking, should we do this one? This one here? Okay, that one seems to be picking up a lot better. Yeah, that works a bit better. Just kind of like patting that on, like packing it in the center. And then just kind of blending it out a little bit as I go. Yeah, this one works way better than the green. I don't know what the green was doing. But like even packing that over the top of the green, which in theory shouldn't really work too well. It's working. It's working. We need something else in that crease because right now that looks hella dodgy. So I'm going to go back in with a slightly different fluffy brush. And go in with that khaki colour again and see if we can build it up a little bit more. It's gotten rid of all my green. Just like buffed it out. Then might actually even take that same brush and take that green again and just put that on my lower lash line. Oh, it looks a bit better there. This brush seems to be working a lot better. Then I'm actually going to take a little bit more of that gold and just pop that underneath. Why the hell not? So then I'm just going to take more of my favourite highlighter ever and pack a crap ton of that on my inner corner. Alright, so that's it for the eyes a minute, I think. So next, I'm just going to move on to mascara, because obviously I do have those falsies to add. I'm just going to use one that I've got lying around now. This one's from Technic. Pop that on. Alright, so mascara's on. I'm now going to go ahead and cut up these bad boys and glue them up as well. So like I said, these are the Wonderland Girl false eyelashes. These were £2. They've got like an invisible band, and they seem to be kind of like tapered in on each side, which I normally like something that tapers out. But I can deal. That ain't a problem. Oh, there goes all my brushes. Why do I drop everything? Looking at it, I could probably actually even turn these into like kind of fluttery winged out lashes, because these look too big for my eyeballs. They feel decent though, like for £2, they feel decent. So again, take off. Yeah, babe. Oh my god, I so badly need a new lash glue. Mine is disgusting. Well, Steph, you are disgusting. That should be enough. So I'm just going to leave those there to sit for a minute. So while we wait, we may as well just fill in our lips. This is probably like one of the cutest lipsticks I think I've ever seen, because it's in the shape of a heart. I love it. And obviously I got the Nude. I don't think this is a matte lipstick or anything. I think it's just like a regular kind of cream lipstick. I don't want to ruin it. It looks too cute. I don't even know how to really apply this, because obviously it's like not the usual kind of lipstick shape, but oh my god, you could do this. That barely did anything, but like it fits on your Cupid's bow. Look. Okay, I guess I just like do this. Oh, you know what? That's actually not as hard to apply as I thought it was going to be. Very, very glossy. Way more glossy than I'm used to. But yeah, that's nice. That's really pretty. So next, I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips a little bit, just because I feel like I kind of need a lip liner with this. So I'm just using this one from Barry M. And now I think by this point, these lashes should be just about ready. Let's pop these on. So I've just kind of turned them into like little corner lashes. Pop you there. Promising. Very promising. Leave them there for a second. And then have a little fiddle. Nice. Feel like this lip maybe isn't like perfect for this eye look, but I'm pretty happy with that. What I'm just going to do quickly is just kind of blot my lips down a little bit, just so we can see what that gloss looks like without it kind of like interfering with the actual glossy lipstick we've already got on. And then I'm going to take the like nudie gloss. This one here is, don't think it has a shade, but it's just like the nudie colour. Nice. Oh, that smells so good. Nice. Yeah, I'm not like stoked on like the lip and eye colour combination, but I'm pretty happy with that. For me, I think this look works a little bit better if I blot my lips down so there's no gloss. Like that maybe. I feel like a slightly more like muted nude lip works better. Of course I do. I always think a muted lip looks better. So like I said, today I am going to be filming a brow product review. Let me know if you can guess what product it is in the comment section down below. The video is going to be coming very, very soon. But I'm now going to quickly go off camera, film that little video, fix my brows, and I will check back with you in a second. Alright, so this is the finished look, and now my brows are on, I'm actually feeling it a lot more than I was. I've got to say, this highlighter is ridiculous. Like, this highlighter is worth the £10 for the palette. The lip gloss is really, really nice as well, actually. I would probably actually even pick this up if it was a full size, and you guys know I am not a lip gloss girl at all. The heart-shaped lipstick was also really, really nice. Maybe not my usual kind of formula, because obviously it was a little bit more glossy, but I mean, the packaging just kind of like, it sells it to me. I love that. And then as for the eyeshadow portion of the palette, I did really, really like it. It wasn't maybe like the best Primark palette I've come across. I really, really love the colours though. Like, let's just swatch another one of these. I just feel like the formula was a little bit of a hit and miss, because obviously that green shade didn't really, oh, that's nice. That green shade didn't really want to work with me too well. I had to really full on force it. And I don't know if you can see, but it's like, it's literally turned into like putty. I don't know what's happened, but the other shimmers are fine. But yeah, the green one's gone a bit weird, but it looks really pretty on the eyes. And overall, I'm actually really digging this look. So guys, as always, let me know what you think of this makeup look in the comment section down below, and let me know if you're going to be picking up any of the Alice in Wonderland makeup from Primark. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you don't want to see more of me, because I upload all the damn time. But apart from that, that's it from me. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.